Hello guys, thanks for jumping back into my channel. This is MindYourCrypto. My name is Bill and today I'm going to make a technical analysis and price prediction update for ENJ Enjin Coin. And you can see here guys that we had this huge bullish candle according to due to the Coinbase Pro announcement, of course. And that we have two phases when the Coinbase Pro announces. We have the phase when it is on Twitter, and then we see the pump up of the price, and the second phase is when it goes on Coinbase, not on Coinbase Pro, on Coinbase. We will see some sideways situation here till the Friday. Then when it goes on Coinbase, again a pump up, of course, for the Enjin Coin. That's why here guys you can see the blue line will cross the signal line here, the MACD will cross the orange line and it will go above the orange line here. This is great news guys, and of course what I like about altcoins that do this exactly thing I will say to you right now is when the blue line is beyond the signal line, usually we have a bearish situation, right? And we see that for quite some time now that blue line was beyond the signal line for ENJ, but the price remained steady and it went sideways. This means guys, this coin HODLs very good for the short term and we will soon see a pump up. Okay, so when it does that, when we see a bearish situation according to the MACD, but the price going sideways, it is a very good scenario. This is a tip and a trick you want to use, okay? So let's go to the RSI and the CCI to see that commodity channel index is above 100, and when it does that, usually the commodity channel index follows the price quicker, of course. That's why we see 100, it is above 100. According to the CCI, we have an overbought situation, but it is not like that, okay guys? And the RSI sits here between 30 and 70, near the 70 line, and it is still here, and I expect it to move a bit sideways, then going up again for the short term, of course, and going above the 70 because of the Coinbase Pro and the Coinbase announcement, but because of the future of this coin, of course, I believe in the long term for Enjin Coin. Right now you can see here the high risk we had in the previous days on 15 March. That's why we had a bit of consolidation, not much of a correction guys, very healthy correction, going a bit sideways again, making new higher highs, new higher lows, and of course now after the Coinbase Pro listing you can see what it happened. So right now guys, according to the Bollinger Bands in the 4-hour frame, we are above the top line of the Bollinger Bands, and it won't be necessarily this case, but we might move a bit sideways here till the Coinbase announces the Enjin Coin. Okay, so don't worry if we go a bit sideways or if we consolidate a bit. It's just for the few hours, for the next 1-2 days. Okay, don't worry about it. Nothing wrong with this, and I think we will see an upcoming for the new high for the Enjin Coin. Okay, right now we had this huge buying opportunity where you can see here the price was up beyond the bottom Bollinger Band, and when it is like that, we saw it again in the previous video with Anchor, we might have a buying opportunity. Right now you can see these big bullish candles, of course, after the Coinbase Pro announcement, and now we are a little bit above. We might consolidate a bit, getting in this Bollinger Band, then we will of course go afterwards again up. Okay, so this is very good news for Enjin Coin, but of course guys, in my opinion, I would hold Enjin Coin for the long term. So let's go to the Enjin Coin against Bitcoin, the 4-hour frame. You can see here the squeeze point. We went a bit downwards here, testing some new support levels. We had a buying opportunity right here guys for the Enjin Coin, but of course we had this Coinbase Pro listing and we went upwards, but you can see here we had the buying opportunity and we exploded guys. Okay, we exploded. According to the Bollinger Bands, we had here a buying opportunity for the short term. After the Coinbase Pro, of course, it exploded much more than it would explode. Right now guys, you can see that the 30-day EMA here, the 50-day EMA, I'm sorry, went beyond the 30-day EMA and the 20-day EMA. This is a big bullish signal guys, and of course I'm expecting the Enjin Coin to move upwards. I will delete this line. I don't want this line guys, of course, and of course we don't need these lines as well. So right now 50-day EMA goes beyond the 20-day EMA and 30-day EMA, and now you can see this big bullish. We surpassed this resistance easily, very easily, and now we are heading towards this resistance point where we might consolidate consolidate a bit, or we might go sideways. Don't worry guys, it's just Coinbase Pro. When the Coinbase announcements on the Twitter, it consolidates afterwards, it pumps up, then consolidates for a bit, then on the Coinbase, boom, we get the pump up again. So let's go to the daily frame. Enjin Coin against Bitcoin. You can see here, guys, we had this huge buying pressure here, and of course for the daily announcement for the Coinbase Pro, we went above this squeeze point here, this level, and now we are moving a bit upwards. We might move a bit sideways till we reach out again better prices. Of course, for me guys, I will repeat that in every video, Enjin Coin is for the long term. I trust this coin. I don't know about you guys, of course, if you trust this coin. So right now, let's go to Enjin Coin against Ethereum, and you can see here, history repeated itself, and we had almost the same resistance level on the weekly frame, of course, Enjin Coin against Ethereum, but right now, it might not repeat exactly itself, because right now you can see this big bullish candle here, which we didn't have, or we had in the big sell pressure, but right now, I don't think this is the case with the Enjin Coin. Of course, we have this big bullish candle due to the Coinbase Pro announcement, and right now you can see the 50-day MA going up, 20-day, 30-day MA going upwards. This is looking very good still for Enjin Coin, and of course Enjin Coin against Ethereum for the macro perspective and the weekly frame. I can see that we might have some higher support lines for the next few months to come. Okay, so right now this is it for Enjin Coin against Ethereum, and of course I always see altcoins against Ethereum when I can, because they have some secret hidden resistance lines. When we want to see if we reach the top, if we have a very high risk, of course we want to see altcoins against Ethereum as well. So let's go now to Enjin Coin against USD in the 4-hour frame and our price analysis. And of course guys, I always tell you that I trust Enjin Coin a lot for the long term. I'm a long term hodler for Enjin Coin, and of course you can see here we surpassed this, we crossed this, the 50-day EMA went beyond the 30-day EMA and the 20-day EMA. We had this huge bullish candle going above, surpassing the previous resistance level, the major resistance level here, which was our pretty much over resistance level, and we wanted to surpass it. Okay, so right now guys, we are heading towards this resistance, and of course we consolidate a bit, we go a bit sideways due to this huge pump up of the Coinbase Pro after we going a bit sideways, and then of course for the Coinbase announcement for the second phase we go upwards again. So this is a very good scenario, this is a very good scenario for Enjin Coin, and I will repeat that I'm a long-term holder for Enjin Coin. It looks very promising, gaming, NFTs, everything guys, this friendly, environmental friendly coin. So I think it has all the perspectives to grow stronger and stronger in the next few years, and the next year of course, and by the end of 2021 it has, I don't know guys, I trust this a lot. Even if it consolidates for the short term, I will hold personally, I will hold this coin. I don't know about you guys, this is my advice. Of course you can always do whatever you want, you always want to do your own research. Thank you so much for watching guys, have a fantastic day wherever you are. I will upload more videos soon, and stay tuned for more. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell button and share. Thank you so much again, have fun and see you soon. Bye.